Come on, babe. No, you can't open yet.
Gotta walk it out,
We'll
babes.
walk it out down the steps, remember?
Walk it. Come on, tell.
Walk it down the steps. 1, 2, 3 steps. And you can take it over here. Up here. And remember, you got to steer. You doing it? There you go. Push. Push.
I'll help you start.
I'll help you start.
Yeah.
There you go. Now you got to push forward. That's it. Now forwards. So keep going. Doing it. Yeah, see? And you can stop whenever you like. Look forward and steer. Look forward.
This is where I want to stop.
Yeah, do you want to follow me? Yeah, follow me.
You start helping me.
That's okay. Push. Push. That's it. Look at me.
Yeah.
You're doing it. Maybe we've got to put the seat up a little bit. Come on, push. Push.